and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a quick review of the Matchbox Super Service Center. So this set is a Target exclusive, and it's kind of from the Retro series at Target. So I love these kind of sets. So first, we're just gonna start off with the car. Okay, so this is the Malibu Marauder, sorry. So this is a very cool car. Now, before this set, I had never heard of it, but apparently it's been out for quite a while. So it's a very cool car. It has super cool yellow rims. It's yellow and blue. Sorry, that's a bit close. But we have, so the back, the license plate is kind of this weird, like, it says V on it, and has some like knee boards in the back. And on the side, it says Matchbox Originals, and then that little blue words right there that says Malibu Marauder. So it's a very cool casting. I love how it's like there's so much glass or clear plastic on it, because that's clear back there. And then when we look at the roof, there's like that little line, that like slit right there. That is plastic in there. And then it has a big moonroof along with the windshield. So it's super cool. Next, let's move on to the actual playset. So next, we're back to the actual playset. So this playset is really big, so we're just going to kind of go by sections. So starting off, we have the, like, the little gas station kind of thing. I guess it's kind of hard to explain. So this is completely separate from the whole other playset, but it's just this cool little, like, stand. It says Matchbox Gasoline on it. It's really cool. It's like this cool stand. Pretty simple, but really cool. And then it actually comes with these cute little gas pumps that just sit on this little guided lines right there. So that's really cool. But we have pumps 1, 2, 3, and 4. So they're very cool. They have little prints on them, which we didn't have to put those stickers on, but they each have their own little stickers. And then the cool part is this little trash can. It's the center of them, and there's actually these little holes in them. It's super cool. So this was the kind of gas pump. Okay, so next we're going to move from left to right. So we're going to do this cool little ramp. So this ramp is all molded plastic. It's really cool. The stickers were all on it before, which looks super cool. And that's really it for the ramp. But you've got this little welcome sign right above it. But the cool part is this. So if you can notice, if you're a big fan of Matchbox, you'll notice that's the same connection as the Matchbox Action Drivers. So it's very cool because this spot right here connects to Action Drivers when you take it off, and then this spot right here connects to a Hot Wheels track when you take that piece off. So that's a very cool thing that Matchbox did. So that was it for the ramp. Our next section is right on top, and this is the wheel alignment section. So this spot is really cool because you've got this cool like elevator thing with a very tall blue stand thingy-majiggy. Guess I don't know really what to call it. But so you can drive your car right about there, and there's 2 spots for the wheels to go. So all you have to do, drive the car in there, and then there's this lever. You just lift up, and boom, then your car is completely above the ground, so you can go in and work on it and do whatever you need to it. The next station is going to be the transmission section. This spot is one of my favorites just because of the play features. So what you can do is you can drive your car right up on there. Then there's 2 spots again for the wheels, so they just sit right in there. But then this is super cool. You've got these things that you can flip right up and put on the tires, so that if you need to do transmission work, which by the label you probably would, so that you don't drive away if you need to rev it. So it's a very cool feature that you can do. Our next spot is right across from those, and this is my favorite spot. So this is the dynamometer, sorry. So what you can do is you get your car, you can drive it right up on there, and then you've got this cool like vent thing right there, and then this little touch pad thing. But the cool thing is there's this wheel right here that you can spin, and then it spins those 2 wheels so that it looks so that you can test how fast your car is going. The faster you spin the wheel, the faster your car's wheel spins. So that's a really cool feature. For our next feature or section, we have the bottom level. So we're just going to start off right here, and it says Matchbox Coffee. So that's a cool little building. That's actually just a big sticker. But you've got the car wash. So with the car wash, you can see kind of in there, and you've got these 2 cool foamy rolling drums that spin. So all I have to do, drive your car up in there, and then as you can tell, they're already spinning. You just push it in, and then your car goes through the car wash. So you can look through there, and your car's on the other side. So what you do, just go on the other side, and boom, your car popped out. So that's really cool. That's the car wash. The next section is the tune-up section. So right here, this is a little looks like a bunch of car parts in there. And then you've got the big tune-up sign and this gate. So with this gate, you can lift it up and it goes kind of back in there so that it's out of your way. And all you have to do, drive your car right on in there, close the gate, and then it gets this tune-up. And again, just like the car wash, all you have to do, come down here, get your car, and then bring it back up to the front. The next section is super cool. So what you have to do is you can drive your car right up on in here, and then there's spots for the wheels. Then you see this silver thing. So actually this goes back so that your car's up on this lift, so then you can go under there and work on it. So that's a really cool thing. But also, one of the best parts about this, what I think at least, is that it says Matchbox Specialist, Diecast Car Specialist, Service, Maintenance, Diagnostics, and Repairs. So that's a really cool feature that they added, and I love how it's just a little printed sticker, but it's very cool how it has the Diecast Car Specialist on it.